Welcome to this video. Today I am looking at the ultimate best outdoor rocking chair list. I'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you make the right choice. Product number 1. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Oh man, are you guys in for a treat today because I am super excited to share with you my first product review. And it's a doozy, a game changer, a must-have for all of you outdoor enthusiasts out there. And that's the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Honestly, this thing is a rock star. It's a chair that combines the comfort of a recliner with the portability and versatility of a camping chair. And trust me, it's a total game changer. It's like having your own personal oasis in the middle of the woods, or at the beach, or wherever you happen to be roughing it. It's that good. And with an astonishing 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 46,192 verified reviews, you know it's gotta be something special. Wow, that's a lot of people who can't be wrong. And from what I've seen and used, I'm here to tell you that this chair delivers on all of its promises. It's sturdy, it's comfortable, it's easy to set up and take down, and it's just plain fun to use. I mean, who doesn't love the feeling of rocking back and forth in their chair? It's like a big ol' hug for your back and your body. And look, I'm not one to usually gush about products, but this one's got me gushing big time. So if you're in the market for a new camping chair, or just a great chair period, do yourself a favor and check out the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. And be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts. It's going to be a great investment, trust me. Product number 2. Amazon Basics Outdoor Portable Folding Rocking Chair. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, and I'm super excited to be reviewing the Amazon Basics Outdoor Portable Folding Rocking Chair. You know, the one I've had on my radar for a while now. Honestly, who doesn't love a good rocking chair for those chill afternoons in the backyard? I mean, it's perfect for relaxing. And I'm sure many of you are thinking the same thing. Look, this thing is exactly what it says it is. A portable, folding rocking chair designed for the great outdoors. Trust me, it's a game changer. I mean, with over 8,700 verified reviews and a whopping 4.6 out of 5 star rating. Wow, just wow. People are seriously loving this thing. And I can see why. It's sturdy, comfortable, easy to set up, and it even comes with a carrying bag so you can take it with you wherever you go. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say it's been a lifesaver on those lazy Sundays when all I want to do is lounge around and read a book. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, affordable, and basically perfect outdoor rocking chair, look no further. The Amazon Basics Outdoor Portable Folding Rocking Chair is the way to go. And hey, if you act fast, you can even snag it for a discount. Just head over to the link in the description below to check it out. Product number 3. POLYWOOD Presidential Rocking Chair in Black. You know, I've been reviewing some amazing outdoor furniture so far, and I have to tell you, this next one is a real showstopper. The POLYWOOD Presidential Rocking Chair in Black. And let me tell you, it's exactly what it sounds like, a presidential-worthy rocking chair that's perfect for kicking back and relaxing in your backyard or on your patio. Honestly, I mean, just look at it. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, and it's built to last with POLYWOOD's signature durability. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can it really live up to all the hype? Well, let me tell you, after scouring over 4,327 verified reviews with an impressive 4.6 out of 5 star rating, I can confidently say that this chair is the real deal. Trust me, it's got rave reviews for its comfort, its style, and its ability to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. And with its sturdy base and wide seat, you'll be rocking your way to relaxation in no time. So what are you waiting for? If you're as sold on this incredible chair as I am, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts and get ready to experience the epitome of outdoor luxury. Product number 4. GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker. Okay, so the last product I looked at, it did exactly what it promised, but now it's time for something that's going to take your outdoor experience to the next level, and that's the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker. Now, I know what you're thinking, what on earth is a rocker? But trust me, this thing is a game changer, especially if you're like me and you spend a lot of time outdoors, camping, or even just hanging out in the backyard with friends and family. Honestly, it's a portable, comfortable, and super convenient way to relax in the great outdoors. You've got this sturdy, weather-resistant frame that's designed to withstand the elements, and a plush, cushioned seat that's going to cradle your body in comfort. Look, I've sat in my fair share of camping chairs, but this thing is on a whole different level, and with over 3,927 verified reviews and an incredible 4.5 out of 5-star rating, it's clear that I'm not the only one who thinks this way. Wow, the reviews just rave about how comfortable it is, how easy it is to set up, and how well it holds up to the elements. Trust me, if you're looking for a way to elevate your outdoor experience, look no further than the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker. And if you're ready to take the plunge, be sure to check out the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 5. SERWALL Outdoor Rocking Chair Set of 2. You guys, I am so excited to share with you our next product review because I've been sitting here in this amazing setup for the past hour, and I'm not even kidding. It's been the most relaxing experience. I'm talking unwinding after a long day, sipping coffee, watching the sunset, you name it. It's all been made possible by this incredible SERWALL Outdoor Rocking Chair Set of 2. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's so special about a set of rocking chairs? Well, let me tell you, these aren't just any ordinary rocking chairs. They're designed to provide you with a comfortable seating experience outdoors, with sturdy frames, plush cushions, and a beautiful design that will complement any backyard or patio. And I'm not even getting started on how easy they are to assemble. It's literally a breeze. But what really caught my attention was the overwhelming number of positive reviews. 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 2,282 verified reviews. That's right, folks, people just love these rocking chairs, and I'm not surprised. Trust me, I've been using them non-stop since I got them. So if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating game and create a cozy oasis in your own backyard, then you absolutely need to check out these SERWALL Outdoor Rocking Chair Set of 2. Look, I know it's a bit of an investment, but honestly, it's worth every penny. And right now, I've got a special link in the description for active discounts, so be sure to check it out and get ready to rock your way to relaxation. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.